Hey guys, do you know what month we're in right now? We are in November. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November. So it's the 11th month of the year. So we write an 11 for November. And today is actually the 10th day of November, and our year is 2020. Can we sing our November song really quick? Remember, it goes like this. Leaves are falling, winter's calling. We are thankful for our friends. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. It's November once again. All right, now our day of the week is actually Tuesday, which as you can see means we need to look at a few different calendar markers because we didn't do calendar yesterday, and then also the weekend. So let's look back at what we've had. You had a square. Do you remember what that was? Cube, circle, sphere, rectangle, cylinder. Now Saturday, while you were at home, it was the shape. What shape has no points and no straight sides? Just one big curve that's all closed up. A circle. We had a yellow circle. Then on Sunday, let's look at what we had. Now look, a circle is flat. Do you remember what I called flat shapes? 2D means flat. Say it with me. 2D means flat. Say it again. 2D means flat because it has two dimensions. It has height and it has width. We can see how tall a circle is and how wide a circle is. Now on Sunday, our shape was not flat. Let me see if I can find one of these. This was our shape for Sunday. See how it's not flat? Do you remember what we call shapes that are not flat? Instead of 2D, they are 3D because they have three dimensions. They have height, they have width, but they also have depth. Remember? Height, width, depth. Height, width, depth. We can measure how tall this shape is, how wide it is, and how deep it is. Height, width, depth, 3D. We call that a solid shape, solid. 3D, they take up space. Now, do you know what this shape is? I'll give you a hint. What if I turn it this way? What does this look like to you? Looks like an ice cream cone. Guess what its name is? Cone. This shape is a cone. It has one point. Do you remember the fancy word I said for point? Vertices are points. Vertices are points. Vertices are points. So it has one vertice, one point. Look at the face down here. A face is a flat area. What shape do you see right there? It's a circle. On the bottom of a cone, there's a circle. So this is a cone, and it's a 3D shape. Now let's look at Monday's, yesterday's shape. It was a piece of mail. What shape was the piece of mail? It's a square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 points or vertices. And look, all the sides are equal. They're all the same size. Does anybody remember what I called these special little corners when they're perfect like that? Right angles. So it actually has 4 right angles, perfect little corners. So we had a square. Squares are flat. What's the word for flat? 2D means flat. 2D means flat. So it's a flat shape that has height and width. Now let's look at today's shape. Oh my gosh, it's a box. Now is this flat? No, it's taking up space. Do you remember what we call shapes that are not flat? Flat shapes that like stick out? 3D. They don't just have 2 dimensions, they have 3. They have height, width, depth. Height, width, depth. Do you remember what this shape was called? It's called a cube. Can you say cube? Cube, 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 cube. Good job. So let's see. Do you see how it has these points? Vertices. Very good. Vertices are points. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 vertices. Now, what shape do you see when I turn it like that? Square. It's like made of a bunch of squares. There's actually 6 squares here. Wow, that's crazy, right? It's like 6 squares that all got folded up. All right, now we are gonna start collecting things today. And we're collecting popsicle sticks. Now I have this and this up here. Do you guys know what this is? It's a 10 frame. And why is it called a 10 frame? Because it has space for 10 things in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what's this down here? A 5 frame. And why is it called a 5 frame? Because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. Now I'm going to spin the spinner to see how many popsicle sticks we get. We get 3 popsicle sticks for Monday. So I'm going to get out 3 popsicle sticks and I'm going to put them up in the 5 frame. Remember, 5 frames can help us to know our 5 buddies. Do you remember what 5 buddies are? Numbers that go together to make 5. So if I have 3 popsicle sticks, can you tell how many more I need to make 5? If I only have 3, how many more do I need to make 5? I need 2 more. 3 and 2 are 5 buddies. 3 and 2 are 5 buddies. Now let's take these 3 and we're going to move them up into the 10 frame now. Wow, look at that. Now we're in the 10 frame and I have 3. How many more do I need to have 10 all together? What does 3 need to be 10? You can look at your 10 frame or you can use your fingers. If you have 3, how many more do you need? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 5 and 2. So 3 and 7 are 10 buddies. So far we've collected 3. I'm going to put them down in the pocket. Now since today is Tuesday, we're going to go ahead and collect for today also. So that was yesterday's collection. Erase that real careful. Okay, you ready to spin? Now we got 4. Now we're going to collect 4 popsicle sticks. Okay, let's see. Let's put them in the 5 frame first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you tell how many more 4 needs to make 5? What does 4 need? 4 and something else is 5. What does 4 need to be 5? 1 more. So 4 and 1 are 5 buddies. Very good. All right, now let's move all 4 of these up into our 10 frame. So we have 4, and we want to add more so that we have 10 all together. What do you guys think 4 needs to be 10? We want all 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 and 6 would be 10 altogether. 4 and 6 are 10 buddies. Oops, I lost my marker. 4 and 6 are 10 buddies. Now we have 3 and 4 so far. We got 3 yesterday and we got 4 today. Does anybody know how many popsicle sticks we have all together? We had 4 and 3. How many do you think that is all together? Look what I see. I see 3 and 3. That's a doubles fact. 3 and 3, that's a doubles fact that I know. I know 3 and 3 is 6. And then there's 1 more. 6 and 1 more would be 7. So 4 and 3 is 7. We have collected 7 popsicle sticks. All right, now we are only going to look at one way to keep track of our days in school. Let's do the chain links today. I'm going to add a blue chain link. Now, can you look at the chain links and tell how many days you've been in school without even counting? Oh, I think some of you have figured it out. how many are in one of these full chains? So we have 10. And then we have another 10. And then we have another 10. And then we have another 10. And then how many do we have here? Can you see that? We have 5 red and 3. What number do you know is made of 5 and 3? 8. So then we have 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10 and 8. Do you guys know how much 4 tens would be? 10, 20, 30, 40. So we have 40 and 8. 40 and 8 make 48. 40 and 8 make 48. So we have 48 chain links. Let's count them all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. You have been in school for 48 days. Now that's all we're going to do for calendar today. Thanks for sticking with me. You've done a great job. Have a wonderful day.